Hello everybody, it's Janke here from Surviveware. I am here to announce the winner of the January Sweepstakes. But before I do, just a few house cleaning items. I've seen a lot of people, a few of them have complained on social media. We sent out a few emails where we say, share with a friend, get extra points, get extra entries. And people said, well, it's supposed to be at random, why should I get extra points? Well, it's like if you play the lottery. If you buy one ticket, you've got one chance out of how many million the lottery is, but you've got only one chance out of that many to win. But if you buy two tickets, you've doubled your chances. If you buy 100 tickets, your chances of winning, even though it's still slim in the lottery, is still very slim. But you don't need to spend extra money to get extra points. You just need to either like us on social media or get a friend to join, and then you get 20 additional points. And each point means you have an additional entry. So if you enter, you've got 1 point. And if you share with a friend and they join with your unique link, then you've got 20 additional points. Then you've got 21 points. So your chances of winning, even though it's still at random, are just so much better. If that wasn't clear, I'm sorry about that, but you know, that's how our competitions work, and that's why we send out these emails to get people to share and get their friends to join. And if you think about it, like, why would you want your friend to join? Like, if you get your friend to join, you're just creating more competition for yourself, right? But that is not the case, because if you get 20 additional points, your friend will only have 1 point, but you would have gained 20 points. So it definitely makes sense to ask your friend to join. That was the first thing. Okay, the second thing is, obviously there was only one winner this month. That means all the rest didn't win. However, our new sweepstakes is already live. And go to www.surviveware.com/sweepstakes, and I'm also going to include the link below. We are giving away for February. We've been working on this thing silently behind the scenes, in secret. We've been working on what I think is going to be the product that sets Surviveware apart from any other company out there. A smart 72-hour kit, a backpack for you and a loved one to stay safe in a time of an emergency. I don't know if you guys have been following the news, and I don't want to be a fear monger or anything like that, but the coronavirus has got me a little bit on my toes. I'm scared of anyone coughing and hacking close to me in public. So I'm carrying one of these around. And this is everything that's going to be in this backpack, from food to water. It's got a grid system so that you can find things easy. And it's also got a dedicated place for first aid, which is of course what we stand for. A lot of these bags that you see are not as good quality, first of all. Second of all, they normally have a really crappy first aid kit. But ours comes with a legendary small first aid kit, and it's got a dedicated compartment just for that. So it comes in red and black. This month the black one is up for grabs, and it's going to be amazing. So that is the prize. Go to survivor.com/sweepstakes, enter it, share with a friend, and increase your chances. This month in February, it's still going to be you're going to win, and it's going to be based on randomness. So finally, the winner. This month we had a lot of people that entered. Some guys had over 10,000 points, and you'd think they'd win. Sorry guys, that was not the case. At random, congratulations to Nancy Cervantes. You are the winner of everything that we have here at Surviveware, worth over $350. We're going to send that to you as soon as possible. Please reply to the email that I sent you. Give me your address so that I can send everything to you. And you will have everything, not the backpack, but everything else that we've made, all the innovative products that we have going on and we're going to launch this year, I'm going to be sending to you. So guys, thanks a lot. That's it that I have for today. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Today is a special day. It's called, Manda, what's it called? Palindrome? Palindrome. I don't know the word. It's the first time and the last time I'm ever going to have to say it, because it only happens once this century. 0202 2020, and you can say it forwards and backwards the same. So from us here at Surviveware, thanks for supporting us, thanks for being there for us, and we'll chat to you soon. I'm going to send out emails with much more information about what's inside this awesome new backpack.